Russia has taken another significant step toward the digital transformation of its railway infrastructure. Engineers and specialists from the Intelligent Systems Division of Transmash Holding recently completed installation and testing of an experimental obstacle detection system based on machine vision technology on the 3TE28 locomotive operating on the Baikal Amur Mainline. The experiments were conducted in some of the most demanding climatic conditions in the country. Testing took place at the Tynda-Severnaya service locomotive facility in Russia's far eastern region. Altitude Addicts, the YouTube channel presenting this analysis, notes that the location was deliberately chosen because of its extremely harsh environment. The region is known for difficult terrain, heavy snowfall, and severe cold that often reaches far below freezing. Such conditions make the region an ideal testing ground for advanced railway technologies. Systems that function reliably there can typically operate in almost any railway environment. According to the results of the trials, the machine vision system demonstrated stable performance and high reliability. Developers believe that this technology could eventually support the transition toward autonomous train operations. Altitude Addicts explains that this would represent a major technological advancement for one of Russia's most important transportation corridors. The Baikal, Amur Mainline plays a critical role in the national logistics network. The Baikal, Amur Mainline, often referred to simply as BAM, stretches across vast territories of Siberia and the Russian Far East. It transports natural resources, industrial products, and passengers through remote and challenging landscapes. Large sections of the railway pass through permafrost zones, mountainous terrain, and dense forests. Winter temperatures in these areas can fall below -40 degrees Celsius. Visibility can also be severely limited during heavy snowstorms. These factors make railway operations particularly complex and potentially hazardous. Altitude Addicts highlights that safety systems are therefore extremely important on this route. Even small obstacles on the track can create serious operational risks. Such obstacles may include fallen debris, snowdrifts, or infrastructure problems. As freight traffic increases along the corridor, improving operational safety has become a major priority. The railway has therefore become a testing ground for advanced automation technologies. These include intelligent monitoring systems and potential future unmanned train control solutions. To begin testing the new system, engineers installed the equipment on locomotive number 3TE28-0009. The 3TE28 locomotive is a modern three-section mainline diesel locomotive designed for heavy freight transport. The locomotive has been produced by Transmash Holding at the Bryansk Machine Building Plant since 2022. Each section of the locomotive is powered by a powerful diesel generator unit. These power units are derived from the 16-cylinder D49 engine family produced at the Kolomna plant. The locomotive is designed to operate in temperatures ranging from -50 degrees Celsius to +40 degrees Celsius. The 3TE28 can haul freight trains weighing more than 7,000 tons across steep gradients. This capability makes it particularly suitable for the demanding terrain of the BAM corridor. Altitude Addicts explains that the railway regularly handles long freight trains carrying coal, minerals, and industrial goods. These trains must travel through remote areas with limited infrastructure. Integrating machine vision technology into such a locomotive represents an important step in the digitalization of heavy freight rail transport. The system continuously scans the track ahead of the train. Advanced cameras mounted on the locomotive collect visual data in real time. Computer algorithms then analyze the images to detect potential hazards. The system evaluates several parameters simultaneously. It monitors the condition of the track, nearby infrastructure, and the clearance around structures. Most importantly, it identifies possible obstacles on the rails. This detection can occur before the obstacle becomes visible to the driver. Altitude Addicts emphasizes that continuous operation is one of the system's key advantages. The cameras and software operate day and night. They can function even during heavy snowfall. Snow accumulation is one of the most common challenges on the BAM railway. When the system detects a potential hazard, it immediately alerts the locomotive driver. This early warning allows the driver to take timely action. Possible responses include reducing speed, stopping the train, or contacting dispatch centers. The system therefore enhances situational awareness for the crew. Altitude Addicts notes that testing the technology in the far north was a deliberate decision. Engineers wanted the system to face the most challenging operational environment possible. The Tynda region in Amur Oblast is often referred to as the capital of the BAM. It serves as a central hub connecting major railway routes across eastern Russia. During the trials, the locomotive equipped with the machine vision system operated along sections of the railway where snow accumulation and poor visibility are common. Despite these difficult conditions, the system performed reliably. Altitude Addicts reports that engineers observed consistently accurate obstacle detection results. Even during heavy precipitation, the technology maintained high detection reliability. The successful tests represent only the first step in a much broader vision for railway automation. Developers believe that machine vision systems could eventually become part of fully automated train operations. In the future, this technology may be combined with automated safety systems and digital communication networks. One example of such technology is virtual coupling. Virtual coupling allows multiple trains to travel in coordinated groups without physically connecting locomotives. Digital communication ensures safe distances between trains. Altitude Addicts explains that this approach could significantly improve traffic efficiency on busy railway corridors. Trains could move in coordinated convoys across long distances. Within such a system, locomotives could automatically adjust their speed, braking, and traction. This would maintain optimal spacing and improve operational efficiency. Another possible advantage involves operational resilience. If one locomotive in a convoy experiences a technical problem, another train could automatically assume the lead role. Automation technologies may also improve energy efficiency. Freight trains operating on the BAM often travel long distances over steep gradients. Optimized traction control and speed management can reduce fuel consumption. Digital systems could ensure smoother acceleration and braking. Altitude Addicts notes that improved coordination between trains could also increase the overall capacity of the railway corridor. This is especially important as cargo volumes continue to grow. Industrial development and mining expansion in eastern Russia are increasing demand for freight transport. Efficient railway operations therefore play a vital role in economic development. Another key objective of automation is reducing the risks associated with human error. Train drivers operate in demanding conditions that may include fatigue and limited visibility. Machine vision systems provide an additional layer of situational awareness. They constantly monitor the railway environment and issue early warnings. Altitude Addicts explains that this support helps drivers make safer decisions. It reduces the likelihood of accidents caused by unexpected obstacles or infrastructure issues. In the long term, further technological progress could enable autonomous train operations on certain railway sections. However, such systems will likely be introduced gradually. Human operators are expected to remain involved during the transition period. Automation will initially serve as an advanced support system. The successful machine vision trials on the BAM therefore represent an important milestone. They demonstrate how digital innovation can modernize traditional heavy industries. Altitude Addicts concludes that integrating intelligent monitoring systems with powerful locomotives, such as the 3TE28, could transform railway operations. Safety, efficiency, and reliability across Russia's vast rail network could improve significantly. What began as an experimental project in the snowy landscapes of the far north may eventually evolve into fully automated freight corridors. Such corridors could move enormous volumes of cargo across thousands of kilometers with unprecedented efficiency. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of Altitude Addicts to encourage us.